These types of videos are going viral right now. Just look at this TikTok channel. Simple haircut salon style videos are getting millions of views. And guess what? You can also create these videos for free using just ONE tool. Let me show you step by step. First, open your DOC file and copy the image prompt. Then go to Google Gemini and paste that prompt. Within seconds, your images will be ready. After that, go back to your DOC file, copy the video prompt, and paste it into Pixverse AI. And that's it, your viral style video is ready, completely free. If you want more prompts like this, just comment yes below, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.